Hello everyone, I am Saja. Today I feel proud and excited to stand before you on the occasion of Earth Day. Every year we celebrate this day to remind ourselves about the importance of our planet Earth, the only one home we have. Earth is our wonderful home. It gives us everything we need for life, such as fresh air, clean water, food, and a beautiful environment filled with trees, flowers, rivers, mountains, animals, and birds. This special day reminds us that we must love our planet and take care of it. Our Earth is very special because it is the only planet and where life exists. Trees give us oxygen, rivers give us water, and nature keeps our world healthy and beautiful. But today our Earth is facing many problems: pollution, plastic waste, and deforestation. Because of this, animals lost their homes and the Earth become unhealthy. So, as students, it is our responsibility to save our Mother Earth.
Earth Day also reminds us that each and everyone has a responsibility to protect the environment. Even small actions can make big difference. As students, we can plant more trees, save water, reduce the use of plastic, keep your surroundings neat and clean. We should also care for animals and respect nature. The earth whispers, not shouts. Are we listening? We are not visitors here. We are caretakers. Let's take care of our blessed home.